Have you gotten suspended on Amazon and want to make a second Amazon Seller Central account that won't get connected or suspended? I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you a quick story on why having an Amazon Stealth account is so important long term. Let's dive in. So before we get started, I want to show you a stealth account. I've personally already created 8 stealth accounts and they've been online for over 2 years, all of them, and they haven't gotten suspended once. You can see right now I am using a stealth account. This is we have everything on a virtual machine, so nothing ever gets connected. And this is the step-by-step on how to do it. So to do it, pretty much you need a close friend or a family member. I recommend a close friend that doesn't have the same last name as you. They can't be living with you, right? They can't be living with you at all. And you want to get this close friend. Their job is to open up that stealth account for you, right? And of course, you're going to need a new business because if you want to fully take over the account, you're going to need a new business in the USA once they create the account. So a new business, you can get it on LegalZoom.com and they can help you get a business in the USA. Next, you're going to need a new phone number, right? You don't want anything to be connected. You want to do this the right way. So you need a phone.com. Phone.com is my recommendation, and this is a great idea for a phone number. A new email address. You can get an email address for free utilizing gmail.com. Don't use any of your other email addresses. A new business bank account. So once you have a new business, you can easily create a new business bank account with American Express. They do it so quickly. They love businesses. You can get a new business bank account extremely quickly without even going in person utilizing American Express. A new business credit card. So a new business credit card, again, is going to be American Express. I'll explain why you need a new business credit card shortly. AWS. So AWS is going to be your virtual machine. This is what I'm using, and what it is, it's the virtual machine, so it doesn't connect your IP address. This is the number one reason why most people get suspended is their old IP address is attached, and you don't want that. That's why you need to use a virtual machine. And this is the part where people usually don't know what they're doing or how to do it, and I do explain that. And then a new laptop is usually, this is sometimes necessary. This is just to triple check and make sure nothing goes wrong when your friend is creating that new account for you. Good credit. So of course, to get a business credit card, you need to have decent credit. So just make sure you have some decent credit. And I would say at least a 650. And then and you can use Credit Karma for free to get that. And a new business address. So to get a new business address, you can get a new business address for $15 a month using ipostal1.com. Again, this is what we use, so I know exactly what works. So what we do, once you have all of these set up, your friend is going to create that account for you. Once your friend creates it, they're going to do identity verification, and I recommend they do it all on a new laptop, right? You don't want them to use your old laptop and get connected. Don't even do it at your house. Do it at a library. Do it at your friend's house, right? And then they're going to fully get verified. Once they're verified, that's your time. You create the virtual machine, and then you log into their account on the virtual machine and the new laptop. So everything is completely new. It's new virtual machine, new laptop, right? Nothing's connected to your old information. Then you're going to create the new business. You're going to have a new business phone number, a new email address, so you can change the Amazon Seller Central login to the new email address that you have access to. You're going to have the new business bank account, so you can change that, and the new business credit card. So when you have a business credit card, it doesn't have to, it's going to be in your name, but you can add an authorized user. You can add an employee credit card and put your close friend as an employee. So that way, but they don't even need to have access. You can pay everything for them because you're going to be the main card holder. And that way you can attach their name on the credit card, have it on the account, and you're good to go, right? Now, finally, your friend's going to create the Amazon seller account, like I said. You'll create everything else. Once the account is verified, you'll put the seller account on the virtual machine, and you're going to slowly change all the information to the new business information. And when I say slowly, I mean slowly. Sometimes I like to actually message Amazon, say, hey, Amazon, I just want to let you know I got a new business bank account. I'm going to be changing my bank account. Is that okay? Through Seller Central, they'll say it's okay, and then you change it so there are no red flags pop up. And we do this all the time. After that account will be yours, and you just don't, and it won't get connected to your other account because all of the information is different, and you can go from there. It sounds complicated, but it is not complicated. I've done it myself several times, like I've already explained, and we even have training on how to do it. I always recommend having a stealth account to be prepared because one day Amazon might come in and they might try to suspend you. I'm going to give you an example. This is for the end of the video. Why to get a stealth account and why it's so important is my client was making $100,000 a month and they got suspended one day. They expanded from the USA to Amazon UK, Amazon Italy, and we found out that a Chinese competitor was watching them from afar and filed trademarks in Italy, filed trademarks in UK, and they took their trademark, right? Because they only had a trademark in the US. Once they expanded, they started making more sales. They got this Chinese competitor reported all of their listings in the UK, all of their listings in Italy. They got hit so hard that Amazon suspended their entire account. And that was super vicious. If they had a stealth account that was ready, they could have moved all of the inventory or shipped new inventory in to this second stealth account and just stayed on Amazon USA and were able to sell again within 10 days. Instead, we had to appeal it. We had to talk to attorneys because they filed a trademark in a different country. It was a mess. They did get reinstated, but it took 30 days. And it was a hell of 30 days because they didn't have a backup. So having a backup is always good, especially if you rely on income for this. And we do have a how to create an Amazon stealth account that goes through all of these steps in depth, step by step by step. I'm worried if I make it free, Amazon's going to find out about it, and then they're going to change the process to get an Amazon account and make it a lot harder. So right now you can get that account. Get this, I show you how to get EC2, AWS, what credit cards to get, and all that good stuff. You can check it out in the description if you're interested, but I did give you a lot of information to get yourself started in this venture. And of course, if you do need help selling on Amazon or getting a stealth account created and you don't want to do it on your own, you don't want to take a course, you can contact EHP Consulting Group because this is what we specialize in. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. I'm signing out.